There are two reasons which have been enshrined in the statements of objects and reasons for the Constitution Amendment Bill. Okay. And the reasons that have been enshrined are that you create a common market, which India has a common market, and second is remove the cascading tax within the country. India, unfortunately, the way the Constitution is constructed, has a plethora of taxes that are applicable, but these are exclusive taxes. Exclusive taxes imposed by the state government, exclusive taxes imposed by the central government. So that's the reason why when you procure a manufactured product, excise duty is applicable, but that's a cascade tax vis-a-vis when the product is sold against where state VAT is applicable. And while for domestic it is still not such a criminal kind of issue, the problem is that the moment you start thinking about international markets, Indian product becomes extremely incompetitive. The government quite rightly felt that there is a need for having a tax regime where Indian products can actually compete. And so that was the primary crying need as to why a concept of GST was sought to be implemented and is so important. And for this to particularly happen, both the central government and the state governments had to give away their primary exclusive rights and share that right of taxation with each other. And that's why the GST kind of created the way it is got created. But the primary reasons I would think is actually to have a one common market, and more importantly remove cascade tax. A lot of people talk about that it was actually also driven by ease in doing business. That's not the primary intention of the levy. And whether we have achieved that ease in doing business as an activity or as an objective, well, I can say it's debatable. But having said that, whether at least for part of the economy, whether it's going to reduce the cascade and whether that objective is being achieved, to some extent, yes. Whether it could have been done better, it's again debatable.